Hi, I'm Bob with Bourbony.co. Today we're going to make a Smokin Peach Old Fashioned, and let's get right to it. Add a little ice to my shaker. That'll work. All right, I'm going to start with 2 ounces of bourbon. I like Bulleit, but you do you. Any decent quality bourbon will do. Then we're going to go with an ounce of peach nectar. We'll go with that. Half an ounce mint simple syrup. Good. I'm going to toss in a dash of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I just squeezed it from the bottle. All right, and some peach bitters. I like Fee Brothers. Again, you do you. So a couple of dashes of that. And we'll give it a good shake until it's nice and cold. Alright, that's freezing my hands. Now I'm going to add an ice cube to our glass. Do that. Boy, that looks good. These things are dangerous because they go down nice and smooth. So you've got to be slow in sipping them. Now we're going to add a little smoke. Right. And I'm going to cap it off with a slice of dried orange. Now the recipe on the line calls for dried peaches. I don't happen to have any right now, but a dried orange will do in a pinch. So do that. And there we have it, the Smokin Peach. Cheers, everyone. Yeah.